Okay, we're back, and the next step is going to be installing the off contact. What I've liked so far about all these Ranar products, especially with this press, is like this piece here was pre-assembled, and all the other pieces, of course, were individuals, but it kind of shows you how this is going to go. In case you don't get it in the diagram and the pictures and instruction, but it clearly shows you in the instructions how it goes. But I really like how they install a print head and they show bolt patterns and stuff like that, just to show you the way a little bit. All right, so we're going to take all this apart, and we're going to put it back in reverse. But you have your adjuster knob, your lock nut, your lock knob, and then the top part is the nylon bolt that the print head sits on for your off contact. All right, so we're going to take everything off. Man, I keep dropping all these pieces. Okay. So the first step is, once you take it all off, you're going to install the threaded piece. You want this all the way down, because the next step will be installing your roller bearings and setting all your screen off contact and all that stuff. But you want to make sure this is all the way down, and then we're going to put our locking knob. And then we're going to put our locking nut. And then we're going to put our adjuster knob on. And our adjuster knob, we'll want to tighten it as much as you can. And that's pretty much it. So whenever you set your off contact, say like your off contact is going to be right here, you'll lock your knob. You'll lock it so it doesn't go anywhere. And in the instructions, don't get confused. It shows that the locking nut goes all the way down here, but I don't see no reason for that. This locking nut should go up as a secondary locking to the locking knob. Okay, so that any kind of moving down your print heads, sometimes they'll slam down, going up and down, up and down. Sometimes it may loosen this locking knob. So if you tighten it, and just as a precaution or security, or an extra level of security for this coming undone, you have your locking nut that you'll want to tighten underneath. That way, any kind of vibrations, you'll have to get through 2 of these to start getting loose before something comes undone, because all you have down here is the adjuster knob, and that's pretty much it. So we're going to actually loosen this up and loosen that, and we'll put those all the way to the bottom, and then we're going to go through the whole process and do all the arms, and then we'll go to the next step.